In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Google Drive folder or file publicly accessible. If you have ever struggled with sharing documents in Google Drive or found it cumbersome to allow access to certain files or folders, this guide is exactly what you need. We'll cover each step in a straightforward manner so you can follow along with ease, ensuring your documents are readily available to those who need them. First things first, let's head over to Google Drive. You can do this by simply typing Google Drive into your search engine and clicking on the link, or by going to drive.google.com directly. Once you're there, you'll be greeted by your Drive homepage, showcasing all your files and folders. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already. Now, let's find the folder or file that you wish to make public. Simply navigate through your Drive, just as you would in any file explorer. Once you've located your desired file or folder, right-click on it. A context menu will pop up, offering a variety of options. Here, you'll want to select Get Link. This is where the magic happens. A dialog box will open, showcasing the current sharing settings. You may notice that the default setting is Restricted, meaning only people with access can open the link. To make your file or folder public, click on the drop-down menu next to where it says Restricted. You'll see an option that says Anyone with the link. This is exactly what we want. Go ahead and select it. Once you've changed the setting to Anyone with the link, it's crucial to decide the exact level of access you'd like to give. Do you want others to simply view the file, or would you like them to be able to comment or even edit? You can adjust these permissions with the drop-down on the right. Remember to choose wisely depending on the nature of your document. After sorting out permissions, simply hit the Copy Link button. This will copy the public link to your clipboard, making it easy to share. Whenever someone uses this link, they'll have the access you just specified. Ensure you have verified the permissions before distributing the link widely. You don't want unauthorized changes to your document. Finally, click on Done to finish up. And there you have it. Your file or folder is now publicly accessible. Whether you're sharing important collaboration documents within your organization or making communal files publicly available, this straightforward process ensures smooth sharing and accessibility. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to try this with different files to get comfortable. If this guide was helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more. Happy sharing!